Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use the function in Google Sheets. Alright, here I have opened my Google Sheets and I have created a table as well. And we're going to put a function to this discount column. So if the quantity is larger or greater than or equal to 5 pieces, the buyer will get 5% discount, but if the quantity is less than 5 pieces, the buyer will get 0% discount or they won't get discount. So let's practice it together, guys. Let's put the function to this column. So we have to type equal and if then I'm going to choose B3 cell because the quantity is in B cell. Then if B3 cell larger than or equal to 5, so they will get 5% discount and they will get 0% if the quantity less than 5 pieces. Like this, you just have to follow this formula, okay? After that, we can click on enter. Right, and we can do autofill, guys. And okay, guys, and that's how we can apply a function in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.